Hi, I'm Rob Cosman. Welcome to my shop. Are you tired of tool handles that are very difficult to control because they're small, smooth, just can't get a hold of them? I'm going to show you how to wrap your tool handles. It'll make a huge difference in the way you're able to use the tool. I'm Rob Cosman and welcome to my shop. We make it our job to help you take your woodworking to the next level. If you're new to our channel, be sure to subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and don't forget to turn on the notification on your mobile device so you'll know every time we release a new video. Good? All right, back to the bench. I first noticed this problem probably 25 years ago. Just starting to get to that age where you get a bit of arthritis in your hand, and it was this particular tool. Now this is a fret saw. I use it exclusively when I'm cutting dovetails to remove the waste. But you notice that the handle is very small diameter, very slick, very difficult to control. Noticed it even more when I was watching students try to use it. They just could not manage that tool with any level of precision. And then I thought about this. We're in Canada. We play hockey from the time we're born to the time we die. That's how we wrap the top end of our stick so that you can get some grip and a lot more control. It's really simple and easy to do. And I put the two together and I came up, or it resulted in a tool that was easy to hold onto. You could actually make it do what you wanted. And the most convincing part was when I taught it to students, and all of a sudden they went from not being able to make that cut to being able to make it with relative ease. I'm going to walk you through the process of wrapping your tool handles. It's really simple and it's extremely inexpensive, and it makes a huge difference when you're able to grip that tool in such a way that you can literally control it and get the results you're looking for. I'll show you how easy it is. I'm going to use this fret saw as an example. I'm just going to lock that. I'm going to take the tape and start right here, make a complete wrap. Drop the tape down a little bit, spin it till it turns into a cord, and then start here and just wrap around the handle to get to the top, come back and cover what I just wrapped. Now it's an irregular shaped handle, so the tape doesn't conform, but you just have to spin it in your hand. And there you go. Now I can use that. Hey, if you like this video, we have more. Our monthly newsletter has subscriber-only content, discounts monthly on tools, and anything we bring out that's new, subscribers get first crack at it. Click on the link below. Let's get back to work. So, of course, the first question is all tape the same? And the answer is no. What's so unique about this? Well, I've toured down to the U.S., and I've actually played hockey down there when I was traveling, and had to go out and buy the tape that was sometimes available in the sporting goods store, and it's not the same. And you'll notice it when you actually tape the stick or tape the tool handle. This is the stuff that we like. This is what we sell. And like I said, it's inexpensive, but it makes a huge difference. Now, what can you do it on? Well, I have a small hammer. It's one I want to use for putting dovetails together. It makes a big difference when you can grab hold of it. My mallet, I consider it essential. My rubber mallet. Clamps are a big one. These Bessie clamps that I love so much are very difficult, especially the wooden handles, to get the kind of torque that you're looking for. Screwdrivers. This company makes beautiful screwdrivers, but the handle is so slick, you just can't get the torque required. So a bunch of them. Of course, I've shown you the fret saw. A file. This is for sharpening a saw. So much easier when you don't have to think about your grip. You just grab hold of it and it doesn't move in your hand. Same thing here in this file. So let me show you how it's done. Start by getting a little lead on the tape. And it doesn't matter really whether you start on the my left or the right, but I'm going to start on the far left, and I'll put one wrap around, and then you just roll that tape down or unroll it. Now you have to guess how much you're going to need. This is probably more than I need, and then spin it. And as it spins, because it's sticky, it's going to stay together, and you end up with what amounts to a cord. And then just wrap that around, spacing it at whatever amount you want. Actually, I thought that was going to be enough, and it isn't. So I'll just give a little bit more. Finish that at the top, and then come back and cover it. Pull it taut. Now, you'll notice that there was some residue on this handle. The tape had long since dried out, but I probably got 15 years of use out of that, so I wouldn't call it a lifetime solution, but it'll certainly last. That stuff is tough. And then just go back over and squeeze it so that it makes good contact. And now you've got a grip that you can really put the amount of torque that is sometimes required, particularly on a clamp. Try it. It makes a huge difference when you can actually forget about trying to hold on to the tool and just focus on what the tool does. All because your grip has been that improved by that much. Stick tape. If you enjoy my method of work and like my style of teaching, click on any one of these videos to help take your woodworking to the next level. I've always said better tools make the job so much easier. If you click on the plane and chisel icon below, it'll take you to our site and introduce you to all the tools that we actually manufacture right here in our shop. It'll also give you information on our in-person and online workshops.